Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app. Then click on those type of dots at the top right corners. This way you will select all of those photos from all of those sections. When you're ready, tap on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to, you can also just tap on one of your folders and click on the same type of dots. This time though, select pin icon at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!